Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we do tech reviews, unboxings, assemblies and more. I'm Chester, your host for today. So today what I'm going to be looking at is the GeForce GTX 1660 Super from Nvidia. This is the Galax version of it. So this specifically is the one-click OC model. So I'm supposing that it's one-click OC, so you can just click one time and you auto overclock for you. If you're that kind of person, for me personally, I love to manually dial in and test it, But if you're those kind of person who prefers simplicity, maybe an automated solution will be better for you. So the GTX 1660 Super is actually a refresh from the original GTX 1660. So this particular graphics card has 1408 CUDA cores and up to a boost clock of 1800 MHz. So it has 14 gigabit per second memory speed, and it has a 192-bit GDDR6 wide memory. Finally, 336 gig per second of memory bandwidth, and it uses a single 8-pin power slot. So it is quite power efficient. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, so you can see here that standard marketing all around. So let's open this up. So over here we have this is the first you see. So this is a step-by-step guide to installing your graphics card in your system. And we have a 8-pin to Molex adapter. And that's about it. Right over here we have the graphics card inside its anti-static thermal bag. So as you can see here, they are quite large, and it uses a PCIe 4.0 16x slot with aforementioned 8-pin single power connector. Right, so in terms of I/O, it has a one DVI dual, a DVI-D, one HDMI 2.0, 2.0B, and finally a DisplayPort 1.4. So this card will support 4K, just that this model is a little bit underpowered for 4K. So if you're gonna be gaming in 4K, just tune down the quality settings. So the dimensions of this card, let's measure it. So the length, including the I/O, so it is about 23.5, so 235 millimeters. The width is including the I/O, so it is about 125 millimeters. Finally, the height is a standard dual is a standard dual slot height, so it will not interfere. So if you want to put more of them, you can do so. But in this generation, SLI is not supported, so you can't put two of this in SLI, unfortunately. So this particular graphics card consumes about a maximum of 125 watts. So it recommends that your system has a minimum of 450 watts worth of power. You can see here that the cooling is actually quite robust. There is no heat, or there are heat pipes. Actually, you can see them through the fans. They have four heat pipes, right, in this particular model, and even the memory is covered in the heatsink as well. So everything seems to be cooled adequately, so nothing too significant outstanding about that. So yes, this card comes with a back plate. So the lower end model, the GTX 1650 Super, does not come with a backplate. So the backplate will help in rigidity, so it will prevent the graphic card from sagging, because sometimes the coolers get too big for that. Alright, if not, that's all for this unboxing and review of the GTX 1660 Super from Galax. So like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. So we're going to be doing more unboxings and reviews, and especially more installations and assemblies of computer systems. Alright, I'm Chester, and see you guys.